Hey, what is up guys? My name is Marcus and this is the Elwing E1. The Elwing strives to be a beautiful and elegant electric skateboard with minimal weight but still impressive performance. It's a commuter board, more specifically for shorter distances, and the portable design and built-in handle makes it easy to bring wherever. It weighs just around 4.7 kilos, which is especially impressive when you consider that the top speed is 28 kilometers an hour and the range is listed as 11 kilometers. That's some impressive specs, but add to that a battery that is flight compatible at 90 watt-hours and you have a perfect travel companion. Elwing emphasizes the deck a lot, and they should. It's carved from wood and has a precise curvature to increase riding comfort and control, even at higher speeds. Not only that, but it is stunning and a true work of art. The dark wood finish together with the blue wheels and black battery box makes the E1 a stunner. In the box itself we find the skateboard, a manual and a box with accessories. You get the charging brick, a cable suitable for your location, a skate tool and the remote. The remote is a bit different than what you might be used to. It has a bit of a drawn out egg shape, but it is made to be ergonomic. It doesn't have a built-in battery, but instead run on two AAA batteries. There's an on-off switch on the side and a speed adjuster on the other. There's 3 speed modes built in, but it is a bit difficult to set the switch in the middle position. On top you control the acceleration as well as braking and reverse. The reverse will engage if you engage the brake when the board is standing still. The Elwing E1 is light, portable and fast. A perfect board for campus commuting or to have in the car for that last mile. It charges pretty fast too. A full recharge only takes 45 minutes if you have the fast charger. I'm looking forward to test the E1 in the next couple of weeks to see if it can match the rather impressive specs. Stay tuned for part 2. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.